Oh, very good morning all the students. Today we will see the another examples of the type number 2 of the structural analysis of a truss element, okay, of for the formation of 6 by 6 matrix. So as shown on the screen, this is a pin jointed truss, okay, which is having support A and C are the fixed support, whereas the support E is a roller support. So based on that, we have to calculate the degree of kinematic indeterminacy in the structure, and based on the degree of kinematic indeterminacy, we have to form the global matrix, stiffness matrix. Okay, so let us see that how to analyze this numerical. Okay, so first of all, as shown on the screen, okay, based on the diagram, we have to calculate the DOKI. So here the DOKI is 5. So let us see how DOKI will be 5. So we have to resolve, or we have to mark two coordinates at each joint. Okay, so first is horizontal. We will start from the unknown itself. So first of all, we have to identify that which pin joint is a unknown. So joint D is unknown, joint B is also unknown, and joint E is also unknown. Okay, because joint C and A are the fixed support, so therefore there will be no lateral displacement in this case. Okay, so we will start from D. Okay, so here 1 is there, which is to be unknown, 2 is also unknown, 3 is also unknown, 4 is also unknown, and 5 is unknown. 6 is known, because at the roller support only one horizontal reaction will be formed. Okay, the vertical reaction will be known. So based on that, we have calculated the DOKI, that is degree of kinematic indeterminacy, as 5. Okay, now second is the formulation of the stiffness matrix. So let us see how the formulation of a stiffness matrix will be considered. So we will start from the member, horizontal member AB. As the member AB is a horizontal member, so therefore the theta will be equal to 0. There will be no angle will be formed on for the member AB. Okay, so as the value of theta is 0, therefore the cos theta and sin theta will be equal to cos 0 equal to 1 and sin theta, that is sin 0, equal to 0. Now we have to calculate the EA by L. Okay, so if you see the diagram carefully, the value of EA is already given for each member. So we have to pick that value for our calculations. So for AB, 2 EA is given. So EA by L, we have to put it as 2 EA by L is already given as 5 meter. Okay, so we have to put this. So we will get the answer EA by L is 0.4 EA. Now we know the formula for this case. Just we have to put the value, and we will get the value in the form of 7834. As the coordinate for AB is 7834. So we have to put the coordinate very carefully on the matrix as a on the row and on the column side. And EA by L is value we have already calculated as 0.4. Okay, so we have to multiply this 0.4 inside the brackets, and we will get the answer as like this. Okay, now similarly consider the second member, that is AE. The second member is AE. Okay, so for AE, angle is theta 90 degree, so therefore cos theta, cos 90 0, and sin 90 1. EA by L is EA by L. As the value of AE, the value is given as EA, and the length is 4 meter. Okay, so SM2 will be equal to 7856, as the coordinate is 78 at A and 56 at E. Okay, now we have to see that 7856 we have to provide on the row side as well as on the column side, and we have the value of 0.25 EA as the value of EA by L. So multiply this 0.25 inside the bracket of the structural matrix. So we will get the answer like this. Similarly, consider the next member, that is AD. AD we have to consider this is an inclined member. So for this inclined member, we have to calculate the value of angle theta. So angle is calculated as 38.66. So we have to put this value as 38.66 for theta. So for that case, CXV will be equal to, that is cos theta, cos 38.66 is equal to 0.78, and sin 38.66, that is equal to 0.62. Similarly, EA by L is equal to, EA value is 0.22A and L is 6.4. Okay, so finally answer will be equal to 0.3E, 0.34, 0.31 EA. And finally, based on the coordinates 7812, we will get the answer as like this. Now consider the member ED. Again, ED is also a horizontal member, that is a top member. and the coordinate for that member is 5 6 1 2. So we have to carefully calculate the value, and we have to put the value, and we will get the answer in the structural matrix number 4 form, that is equal to this. Okay, and then finally we will get the answer for BD. BD also a vertical member. Okay, the coordinate for the same is 3 4 1 2, and then we have to follow this step to calculate the structural matrix for the different member like BD and BC. Okay, and CD, so and BE. So this member we have to calculate. So there are 8 members are connected with each other, so we have to calculate the stiffness matrix for all the members. Okay, but one thing very important is that we have to consider, or we have to start from the left hand side. And if you start from the left hand side, that is we have to calculate, or we have to consider joint A. So we have to calculate the structural matrix of the connecting member of A first, that is AB we have to consider, AE we have to consider, AD we have to consider, then we have to go for E, D and B like that. Okay, next is the calculation of the global load matrix. So this is a global stiffness matrix. So this is a final global stiffness matrix. So unknown is 1 2 3 4 5, and here also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let us see how this K matrix of 5 by 5 is calculated. So first of all we have to consider 1 1. So we have to carefully see all the 8 matrix in which 1 row and 1 column, whenever they meet, the value has to be considered. So let us consider, here is 7 8 3 4, so no need to consider this. Here is 7 8 5 6, then 7 8 1 2, so 1 1 is there. So 0.919 is considered from this, then 1 1 0.2 we have to consider. So we have to add this 0.19 plus 0.2, then here also 1 1 is 0, but okay, then here is 0 and here is 1 1, this is 0.097 like this. Okay, and then finally here nothing is required, so we have to add this 0.097 plus 0.2 then plus 0.19. So when we add this value, we will finally get the answer like this, 0.487. Then we have to consider the next part, 2 1 we have to consider. So let us see, here 2 value is not there, here 2 1, yes, here it is there, minus 0.077 is there, here it is not there, here 2 1 0, no need to consider. Then there is next point is 2 1, here it is there, 0.15 is there. Okay, then next is, here it is not required, 2 1 here is not required, so we have to consider this value 2 1 0.15. Then next is minus 0.077. So when we consider this value, the answer will be 0.073. Okay, similarly we have to consider 3 1 4 1 5 1, and then 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2. So likewise we have to consider all this row and column. We have to match from all the 8 matrix, whatever the value we will get, we have to add up and we have to write in K matrix form. So this is the final global matrix which is asked in your examinations for about 7 marks. So we will see more type of this numerical, okay, in our next lecture. Also type number 3 will be there, so we will start our type number 3 based on the same.